for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds. But I've always felt...
Hi guys, so I just want to quickly come on here really quick and let you know what I'm doing today. So as you know from the title, I'm doing a power hour. Honestly, I really don't want to clean today, so I'm glad it's just a power hour because it helps you push through, get things that you need to get done, and it only takes an hour, and then you don't have to worry about anything the rest of the day. I wrote out a list on my phone of everything that I want to get done today, and I will show it up here on the screen so you guys know. I wrote down the list of things I want to get done and kind of categorized it by room, and then I put down like the estimated time it should take me, and it equals I think like 58 minutes or something, so that gives me like 2 minutes leeway in case something takes a little bit longer. I already started a load of laundry, which I know is kind of cheating, but it takes about an hour for it to wash and dry, so I didn't want it to go over an hour, so I just started it, if you can hear it in the background, and then I'm going to switch it halfway through and hopefully can get it folded before this hour is up. So I'm going to start my hour right now and let's get started. So I decided to start in my bedroom and clear out the trash and give all the furniture a quick wipe down since I haven't done it in a while. I also want to let you guys know that today's video is in collab with Sheila over from Simply Sheila here on YouTube. She is a mommy to 3 kiddos. She makes super motivating cleaning content, and I'm going to let her introduce herself really quick.
My name is Sheila. I'm a married stay-at-home mama to 3, and we live in Maryland. I upload twice weekly, and it's always cleaning and organizing videos to help motivate you to get your house in order. If you're looking for videos like that, this is definitely the channel for you. So I'd love for you to consider hitting that subscribe button and sticking around and joining my little YouTube fam.
She makes amazing quality videos and is super sweet. So if you guys are looking for some more motivation after this video, definitely check out her channel. I will link it down below in the description box. If you guys are coming over from Sheila's channel, I want to say hi and thank you so much for visiting. My name is Alyssa and I'm a 22-year-old nanny from Michigan. I make cleaning, organization, and decluttering content as well as some lifestyle videos. So I'd love to have you guys stick around. I also decided to give my humidifier a good deep clean in the sink just because I haven't since I've gotten it a few months ago and it was starting to get kind of gross. So I let it soak and then came back and scrubbed it. My next task was to vacuum under my bed, so I just lifted my bed skirt up to make it easier. I haven't done this either since I've moved in, and I was figuring there's probably a lot of like fur and stuff because my cats love to lay under there. So I gave it a quick vacuum, and I'll show you guys after how much hair and fur was in there. So I'm glad I did it, and I need to add this to my like weekly or at least monthly cleaning checklist. Now that I was done with the bedroom, it was time to move on to the kitchen, and of course we have dishes to do like always, especially now that we are home for the last few weeks. I feel like there's just always dishes in the sink because we're always home eating. So I decided to put some in the dishwasher and hand wash some of the ones that I don't think wash very well in dishwasher. And then after I was done with this, it was time to switch that load of laundry over. So that's what I did. And then I kept on going in the kitchen, just tidying up and going through some paperwork and coupons that I've had for months that I really don't need anymore because they probably expired.
go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me.
A little over 25 minutes left. I still had to empty all the little trashes, which I'm doing now, take out the main trash, do the cat litter, as well as tackle the living room. So I had quite a few things to do and I was kind of stressing out because I didn't think I would finish.
I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away. Baby, let's go far.
So this is the first time that I've ever had to clean my TV because I just used to never watch it, but now that I'm home all the time, I obviously use it. And all I did was put some furniture polish on a microfiber cloth and it worked so well. So if you guys are ever wondering what to clean that with, definitely try that out. And then I just went and cleaned my little coffee table with that microfiber towel as well as the furniture polish. And I went in and tidied. I just folded this heated blanket I have that is huge and a big pain, but I love it, so I'm not going to complain. And then I vacuumed my couch as well as the rug.
Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
If you guys are curious about any products I use today, everything will be listed down below in the description box, including this Dyson Animal V7 vacuum, which I absolutely love. Alright guys, I have 9 minutes and 26 seconds left. Well, no, not that. Everything's done except the laundry. I have to fold this pile of laundry and then I have a load that I'm gonna take out in like 2 or 3 minutes and get that folded before my time is up. But I should be able to accomplish everything by the time that this clock runs out in 9 minutes. And this is my cute baby. I know, I want to take a nappy too. If you guys are in need of some more laundry motivation, I recently recorded my laundry routine video and I will link that up below right here. Up below. No, not up below. I will link that up above right here in the cards so you guys can definitely check that out. Alright guys, we're gonna stop the clock and we have 3 minutes and 30 seconds left. So we did it! Yay, Heidi! Yay! Ooh, I am sweating. Power hours are like a workout. Like, ooh, I'm just tired. I'm gonna get a drink of water. And that's gonna bring us to the end. Make sure to go check out Sheila's channel. She's awesome. Again, the channel link is down below in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow for another video for Veda, which is video every day in April. Bye.